And the best part, time for sunset. It's always questionable.
Oh my goodness.
We're heading to Nusa Lembongan from Nusa Penida, which is not a normal route, so you couldn't book tickets online. And the island's so close, it looks like I could swim there, but I know I can't. But we have to figure out how to get a boat over there.
And for the moment, we're waiting to return our motorbike. It's really nice because you just come down to the ports here and they'll meet you here and pick up the bike.
Perfect, thank you. We didn't know what to do. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And just like that, we've returned our bike. So close. Almost like it was right in front of our nose. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
That's great. Thank you.
When do we leave?
Do it and give first.
We bought our tickets to the island. It was only 100,000 IDR, which is very inexpensive. But we just need to wait until they have enough people to actually take the boat to the island. They said it would be a maximum of 1 hour. So we're just gonna get a cold drink at this coffee shop next door, and they said they would let us know when they're ready to go. Super easy so far. Wow, Alicia did not even finish her drink, and I did not even get my drink. Although I did get it to go before the boat is ready.
That was so fast.
Super fast. This is way faster than we had expected. Thank you.
I can't believe we already are on the boat. It was like 20 minutes.
That was fast.
It is nice they have a max 1 hour waiting time though.
That is true.
Made it. It's like a 10-minute boat ride. That's awesome.
Thank you again. Appreciate it. Have a great day.
Hey, has 2 helmets. It's always questionable if they're gonna have helmets or not.
Jeez, look at all this. Thank you. That's awesome.
Welcome.
Appreciate it.
The best thing about renting motorbikes here on Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Penida is that they just bring them to the harbor for you. So you do have to figure out how to bring all of your luggage on the bike, but at least you have a ride immediately from the harbor and don't have to get another taxi and all that stuff. And this guy was so nice.
How are you?
Holiday, right?
Yes.
Normal.
We just arrived to our Airbnb on the island, and we're staying at a place called Bamboo Bungalows, and it is beautiful, number 1, and number 2, it is literally bamboo from top to bottom.
Bamboo bed, bamboo furniture, bamboo bar, bamboo closet, and the best part, a fully outdoor bathroom. Sink, shower, and toilet.
And yes, there is a light for nighttime bathroom breaks. I checked.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car looking for some kind of open bar.
Time for sunset.
Alright, got no money, but I'll work it out with
Made it to Blue Lagoon. At least we think we did. We parked right there. We really don't know if we can. And there seems to be a wooden sign. We're gonna follow that and see if it takes us there. Sign. Hope. Glad we put bug spray on. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Sun is gone. Because the sun's not here and the water isn't blue, because the sun hits it, it looks perfect. We're going to improvise and go down the street. We saw a great restaurant that has a beautiful vantage point. This is not the restaurant we planned to go to, but it's close and it has a great view and a ton of people are surfing out here.